I'd like to talk to you today about a type of financial arrangement called Buy Now, Pay Later, or BNPL for short. And I'm going to be talking about 5 main points. I shall start by defining BNPL. I'll then look at market share and the key players in the industry. I'll then put forward the reasons why one of these key players is so successful. After that, I'm going to discuss some of the drawbacks with this industry. And finally, I shall summarize my key research findings. So, let's start with a definition. According to Sproson 2022, BNPL is a way of spreading the cost of your online and, in some cases, in-store purchases, wherein a third-party provider pays the retailer up front, leaving the customer to repay the provider over a number of weekly or monthly installments. You would have seen these types of companies as they are now a common feature on nearly all online checkout transactions and in most of your favorite stores. What's interesting about BNPL is that although it is not marketed as a form of credit, with many providers describing it as an alternative payment method,